Hello everyone, in this video I'll be demonstrating subtraction of a range of 3-digit numbers. The numbers that I've considered here in this example are 183, starting from 183 up to 190. So all these numbers from 183 to 190 I'll be subtracting, and to begin with we'll be taking a larger 4-digit number on the abacus so that we can start the subtraction. So the larger number, 4-digit number that we'll start with is 4321. Okay, 4321, and from this number we'll start subtracting the numbers 183 up to 190. So let's start. The first number to be subtracted is 183, so 1 direct. For a subtraction of 8 it will be plus 2 minus 10. For subtraction of 3 here it will be plus 7 minus 10. Then the next number to be subtracted is 184. So for minus 184 it will be minus 1 directly. For minus 8 here, be careful, observe this carefully. For subtraction of 8 on this rod, the formula is plus 2 minus 10. But plus 2 cannot be done directly. Hence, we'll use the combination formula. Plus 2 will be done using its small friend formula. Plus 2, and for minus 10, the subtraction of 1 on this rod, the minus 1 formula to be used is plus 9 minus 10. And subtraction of 4 on this rod, so that we complete the subtraction of 184. For minus 4 on this rod, it will be plus 1 minus 5. Okay, so minus 184 is done. The next number is minus 185. So minus 1 directly, minus 8 on this rod with regular big friend formula, plus 2 minus 10, and 5, subtraction of 5 on this rod with plus 5 minus 10. Next number is minus 186. So minus 1 directly. For minus 8 here, plus 2 minus 10, and for minus 6 here directly. Okay, so minus 186 is done. The next number is minus 187. For minus 187, we'll start with minus 1 on this rod using the small friend formula, plus 4 minus 5. 8 on this rod can be done directly, subtraction of 8. And for minus 7, now again please observe carefully, subtraction of 7 on this rod, we cannot do it directly, and the subtraction of 7 formula, minus 7 formula is plus 3 minus 10, but we don't have 3 bits available for addition, so again we'll be using the combination formula. So plus 3 using the small friend formula, and minus 10 on this rod. So subtraction of 1 on this rod can be done using its big friend formula, that is plus 9 minus 10. So minus 187 is also done. Next number is minus 188. So minus 1 on this rod, minus 8 on this rod can be done directly, and again another minus 8 on this units place rod, so it will be done using plus 2 minus 10. So minus 188 is done. Now minus 189. So minus 1 on this rod, minus 8 on this rod using its big friend formula, plus 2 minus 10, and minus 9 on this rod using its own big friend formula, that is plus 1 minus 10. So minus 189 is done, and the last number to be subtracted is minus 190. So minus 1 on this rod will be done using its big friend formula, plus 9 minus 10, and subtraction of 9 on the tens place will be done using its own big friend formula, which is plus 1 minus 10, and the subtraction of 190 is also done. So now we have completed subtracting all numbers from 183 up to 190, and the final answer, the starting number that we had was 4321. So after subtracting all these 8 numbers, the final answer that we have is 2829. 2829. Okay, please try it out yourself as well.